Hello everyone, in today's crochet tutorial, we will be learning a simple yet beautiful crochet stitch pattern that is perfect for beginners. This pattern involves using the single crochet and double crochet stitches with a 2-row repeat pattern. The resulting texture is versatile and can be used for various projects such as baby blankets and more. To begin, we will start with an even number of chains. For this demonstration, I will be creating a chain of 30. Once we done our 30 chains for the first row, we will work a single crochet in every chain until we reach the end of the row. Now we are done our first row of single crochet, and then we're moving on to the second row. We will start by chaining 3 and then turning our work. To kick off the second row, we will skip the first chain and then proceed to make 3 double crochet stitches together on the next chain. Now we have 4 loops in our hook. Yarn over. After this, we will make a chain of 1, skip 1 chain, and repeat the process of making 3 double crochet stitches together. This pattern will continue for the entire second row. Skip 1, then on the next chain, make 3 double crochet together. Yarn over and chain 1. Okay, go ahead and I'll see you at the end of this row. Now I was on the second to the last set of our pattern right here. Yarn over, chain 1, skip 1, and the last set of 3 double crochet together. Yarn over, then make 1 double crochet on the last stitch. Now we complete the second row. Next, we will move on the third row, which is repeats the pattern we used for the first row. This means working a single crochet in every stitch until we reach the end of the row. After completing the third row, We will chain 3 and turn our work to start the next set of rows by repeating the pattern from second row. Now we're done our first set of 3 double crochet together. Make a chain 1, skip 1, and start working your second set of 3 double crochet together. Chain 1, skip 1, and repeat all the way across the row. So to recap, the pattern for the subsequent rows involves skipping 1 chain at the beginning, making 3 double crochet stitches together on the next chain, chaining 1, and then repeating this pattern until the desired size for the project is achieved. At this stage, we must harness the power of repetition for continuously working on the first and second rows of our stitch pattern until we attain our project invention, scope, and scale. Feel free to progress at your own rhythm. If you encounter any queries, do not hesitate to share them in the comment section below, and I will provide assistance for your needs. The end result will be a beautifully textured fabric that is both easy and captivating for beginners.